Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best automotive paint gun for beginners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best automotive paint gun for beginners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Yattich paint sprayer. If you prefer to rely on tech more than gravity, the Yattich paint sprayer is worth checking out. For starters, the container of paint is at the bottom. This balances the weight better, making it easier for beginners to control the motion. Powered with 700 watts, this corded selection moves paint efficiently. The circuitry is well designed and built to work over the long term. It comes with 3 different spray settings, moving in a flat or vertical line as well as in a full circle. All the parts are straightforward to clean, making it easy to maintain over the course of multiple projects. With 5 different nozzle sizes that are quick and easy to swap out, you can efficiently paint vehicles of all different sizes. Despite the effectiveness and constant power supply from the AC attachment, you're still likely to need an extension cord. The included cord runs a little over 6.5 feet, so it doesn't offer the best reach. Moving on at number 4, we have the Campbell Hausfeld HVLP spray gun. If your focus is on balancing efficiency with cost-effectiveness, the Campbell Hausfeld general-purpose HVLP spray gun is a good choice. This high-volume, low-pressure tool uses gravity to channel the paint into the gun. This saves a lot of power and helps it last longer. It comes with the gun in the container, though you can also get this set as a complete kit. It holds over a half-liter of fluid, feeding reliably into the head of the gun. Since the main components are crafted using aluminum, you don't have to worry about rust or corrosion. It's lightweight and easy to control throughout the paint job. Compatible with canisters that generate 40 pounds per square inch of force, you can use this gun with a lot of pressurization brands. While this gun is affordable, it does create a lot of pressure. This can be challenging for beginners to control, so make sure you're comfortable with this beforehand. At number 3, we have the Anest Iwata W400-134G Bellaria spray gun. Another popular paint gun among experienced mechanics is the Bellaria by Anest Iwata. The Bellaria comes with a 1.3 mm nozzle tip that sprays paint up to a maximum width of 11 inches at 29 psi, 9.53 cfm. The gun itself is made of high-grade metal that is not only lightweight, 1.04 pounds, but also of outstanding quality. Thanks to its lightweight nature combined with the comfortable grip and soft trigger, you can use the Bellaria for medium to large projects without much fatigue. Moreover, the 1.3 mm fluid tip is just the right diameter required to spray paint or other automotive fluids. However, this gun is slightly costlier than other entries as it is a professional tool with a robust body, excellent surface finish, and greater control. On the other hand, you'll get what you pay for. It's just awesome. Also, this particular variant does not come with a compatible paint canister, let alone any cleaning equipment, meaning you only get the main paint gun. But, being a professional model, the manufacturer considers that you already have tons of containers and paint gun brushes laying around. Of course, if you don't, all the accessories can also be purchased separately. At number 2, we have the Ingersoll Rand Edge Series 270G HVLP Gravity Feed Spray Gun. For slightly experienced painters looking to improve their skill or professionals looking for a reliable spray gun that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, Ingersoll Rand's 270G is a no-brainer. It features a high-quality metal body and a reliable mechanism for a relatively low cost. Moreover, it operates at a maximum of 40 psi at 8 CFM and uses a 1.5 mm nozzle, pretty much a standard in the industry. Ingersoll Rand's gravity gun provides a perfect surface finish with exceptional control over paint, air, and spray width adjustment. It even comes with an air regulator that allows you to monitor the airflow coming in the gun at all times. You can then make suitable modifications using the air adjustment valve to obtain the desired effect. The Ingersoll Rand 270G comes with a non-drip 1000 ml paint canister, preventing spillage. Moreover, the paint coming out of the nozzle goes through a filter to ensure the thorough removal of any impurities. Tipping the scales at just 2.7 pounds, the 270G has an ergonomic design with a large trigger that does not put a strain on the operator's fingers and allows for a comfortable grip. And finally, at number 1, we have the Astro Pneumatic Tool 4008 Spray Gun. Astro's pneumatic gun is a small, cheap, easy to use, and perfectly designed for smaller jobs. As evident from the paint canister's placement, this gun is of the siphon configuration type with a canister of volume 1 quart, 946 milliliters. The 4008 spray gun features a unique anti-spill feature that prevents the paint canister from dripping no matter the fill level or angle at which it's held. Moreover, Astro's spray gun has a 1.8 mm nozzle that allows for adjustability of the fan size up to a maximum of 11 inch when spraying from an 8-inch distance. The Astro 4008 requires 7 to 12 cubic feet per minute of air, CFM, from a compressor rated for 3 horsepower, compressor not included. With that kind of air power behind it, this product pushes out paint at 50 to 60 psi, making it capable of handling dense liquids without compromising on the quality of the finish. Meanwhile, the ergonomic design combined with a mere 2.54 pound weight makes it very comfortable to operate. The red stainless steel handle mechanism not only makes it look good but also adds durability. And if you are currently looking to buy your first paint gun, you'll be happy to know that the Astro spray gun also comes with a detailed instruction manual.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.